Building a tiny house is affordable, efficient, and eco-friendly living. A well-planned small home offers more than just a smaller footprint. It can be a cozy, functional space with thoughtful design features that maximize utility and comfort. Here's a guide to making tiny house living easy and effective, from planning and construction to interior design and storage solutions. 1. Essential planning and construction techniques. When planning a tiny house, preparation is key. Start by learning where to source essential parts for free, which can reduce your total construction cost by up to 20%. Additionally, understanding the load-bearing capacity of the soil is crucial to ensure the stability of your home's foundation. Missteps in this initial research phase could lead to structural issues later. For framing, use a step-by-step approach that follows a clear blueprint, ensuring each wall is properly aligned. To increase the structural integrity, consider techniques that help withstand transportation, if needed. 2. Thoughtful orientation and exterior design. Positioning your tiny house strategically allows you to make the most of natural light. For instance, orienting the house to receive afternoon sun can illuminate indoor spaces, while a terrace can serve as an inviting outdoor area. Choose durable, weather-resistant finishes in neutral tones that blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. This approach not only adds to the aesthetic appeal but also boosts the longevity of the exterior. A hidden entrance near the terrace enhances privacy, providing a serene space to relax outdoors. 3. Maximizing space with an open layout. The interior of a tiny house should be designed with functionality in mind. Open floor plans are ideal, allowing the living room, dining area, and kitchen to flow into each other and create a more spacious feel. In the kitchen, features like a multifunctional island can provide extra workspace while doubling as a dining area. To maintain organization and reduce visual clutter, consider installing a hidden pantry behind cabinetry that matches the kitchen decor. These seamless, integrated storage solutions are essential in compact spaces. 4. Efficient utility and storage spaces. Combining utility areas like the laundry room with other storage functions helps save valuable space. Here, a discrete laundry wardrobe can hold cleaning supplies, an ironing station, and even house washing and drying machines. By placing a sink at the entryway, residents can quickly clean up before entering the main living area, a practical touch for rural or outdoor lifestyles. Bedrooms, too, can benefit from integrated storage, such as built-in closets that free up floor space and keep pathways uncluttered. 5. Sustainable living and outdoor connection. A tiny house lifestyle embraces sustainability and a connection with nature. Outdoor areas like the terrace seamlessly connect to indoor spaces, offering a natural extension of the home where families can enjoy fresh air, gardening, or time with pets. Sustainable choices in materials and efficient use of energy are central to this way of living. A tiny home embodies the essence of simple, intentional design, proving that meaningful living can happen in spaces of any size. With a focus on efficiency, you can enjoy the benefits of compact living without sacrificing comfort or style.